This is not your ordinary module. This is Augment Reality Worksheet.
Homogeneous mixtures mean the same, and they look uniform before our eyes.
Worksheets to life with AR. First, what is AR? AR stands for Augmented Reality. It is an interactive experience where computer-generated objects and sounds can blend in with our real-world environment. Just imagine fairy tale monsters in our world and even get up close atomically.
For today's episode, gagawin natin ng review ang PCI Augment Reality Worksheets. Okay? So, pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba ito ginagamit at kung ano ba talaga yung real-life experience na sinasabi nila using their worksheet. Ayan. So, tignan na po natin kung paano siya gamitin.
Ang Augment Reality Worksheet ay magagamit sa pamamagitan ng worksheet galing sa PCI Tech Center at ng mobile phone.
Homogeneous mixtures mean the same, and they look uniform before our eyes.
Kailangang ma-scan ng estudyante ang mga QR code na makikita sa loob ng worksheet. Ang kinaganda nito, napaka-interactive ng worksheet na ito na kung saan kayang mag-aral ng mga estudyante kahit sa sarili niya lamang dahil meron nang nagnanarrate ng lectures nila per topic. Bukod sa mga lesson na siyang ine-explain sa pamamagitan ng smartphone, ang worksheet na ito ay nagiging computer-assisted din dahil maging ang mga activities na included sa worksheet ay binibigyan niya ng paliwanag sa pamamagitan ng augment reality.
Across 3, it is a traditional form of courtship in the Philippines where the man moves a woman through singing. Across 6, the traditional Filipino love songs. Across 7, a narrative about the origins of the things in the world.
Sa panahon ngayon, ang ganitong uri ng worksheet ay talagang kapaki-pakinabang dahil ito ay makakatulong upang ma-enjoy ng mga estudyante ang kanilang pag-aaral kahit sila ay nasa bahay. Makakatulong din ito sa mga magulang dahil may katuwang na sila sa pag-explain sa mga lesson ng kanilang mga anak. Ang worksheet na ito ay highly recommended sa new normal classroom.
Where was the world's biggest pair of shoes made? What is known as the most popular sport in the Philippines? What is being referred to as the King of the Philippine Roads? Who was inaugurated as the first president of the Philippines? What book was first published in the Philippines?
Kung interesado naman kayong mag-avail ng PCI Tech Center Augment Reality Worksheet, ay pwede niyong i-visit ang kanilang Facebook account or ang kanilang website.